Microsoft Office Communicator 2007 R2 must be installed on your desktop in order to use Office Communications online. After it's installed, if your service administrator has enabled Office Communications online, the sign-in application will automatically detect and configure Office Communicator for use with BPOS. Office Communicator may have a small surface, but it's packed with features. For example, rest on the notepad icon next to a name to see what information your coworker has provided. In this example, Alessandro Leone has included a note that he's working from the Paris office this week. You can also quickly see your colleagues' statuses. The green presence indicator means the contact is online and available. The red presence indicator means the contact is online but busy. And the yellow presence indicator means the contact is online but inactive or away from the computer. The presence indicator is automatically updated based on your Outlook schedule. When you're scheduled to be in a meeting, the indicator automatically changes your presence indicator to red. You can also manually set your status, including a Do Not Disturb setting that prevents users from sending you instant messages. The Do Not Disturb setting can be very useful when you need to work undisturbed or when you're sharing your desktop. You can view additional information about contacts by clicking their presence indicators. This will display their contact card populated from the Microsoft Online Global Access List for your organization. From the contact card, you can send instant messages and email messages or schedule a meeting. In Office Communications Online, instant messaging is not limited to one-on-one conversations. Click Invite at the top of the conversation window to invite others to your instant messaging session. Office Communications Online is simple yet powerful and allows you to keep in contact with your colleagues in real time. Presence is available in Outlook, PowerPoint, SharePoint Online, Office web apps, and any other presence-enabled application. If you need to chat with coworkers who are offline or busy, you can simply right-click their names and then select Tag Contact. You'll be notified as soon as their statuses change. In addition, you can provide useful information to others about your status when indicating your location in the Notes section of Office Communicator. When you're traveling or at an off-site meeting, the information you include in the Notes section can let your colleagues know when to expect you to be online. And there's one more thing I want to show that's not been mentioned in this PowerPoint deck. All of the conversations that happen inside of Office Communicator are archived in a folder called Conversation History. We can see this is Microsoft Outlook. There's a folder here called Conversation History. Now, this is sorting by date and by names, but simply these are conversations that I had with other users in the organization. And we can look at all of them inside of Outlook. The best thing about it is they're searchable. So if you have an instance where, wow, I know that we chatted, we had an IM session, we talked about something important, I can't remember what the person said. Well, we can go over here and search and find a specific conversation and find that information. This is a very handy feature of Office Communication Server 2007.